Hey y'all, it's the beginning of a new week, so that means it's time to grocery shop. So I'm gonna take you guys with me this time, so let's do it. So I have a bone to pick with y'all. How come none of y'all told me how hard and how difficult it is to vlog and grocery shop? This is probably the hardest video I have ever recorded in my life. And I was just grocery shopping. This is very hard. Typically when I go grocery shopping, I go to more than one store, but in this video, I am featuring Trader Joe's because I just enjoy Trader Joe's. This is not a sponsored video. And contrary to most videos you see about Trader Joe's, I'm usually just in the produce section and the refrigerator section. The freezer isn't a part of my plant-based lifestyle plan. I prefer to do whole fresh foods, so they're really for me. But I felt so lost in this video, y'all. I really didn't know where to look, didn't know where to turn in terms of like pointing my camera. And I was actually low-key embarrassed to even have my phone out recording all of this footage that I have. I decided to go early morning as soon as they opened so that there was less of a crowd when I was doing the recording. And I still had some people's grandmothers low-key judging me while I tried to set up my phone by like the little oranges to get like a video of me picking out stuff. Because you know, that's what I've seen in other people's vlogs. But that just didn't happen and I was struggling, and I did not have a tripod or gimbal either, so I guess I kind of set myself up for failure to begin with, but that's fine, you know, everything is trial and error. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, at this point I gave up. So off camera, I finished checking off all the things I had on my grocery list and threw it in my cart, and then I tried to get a little bit of the grocery checkout scanning part. All these groceries ended up coming out to $142, and this is actually going to last me about a week and a half of meals for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack. When I go grocery shopping, about 85 to 90% of my groceries is going to be fresh produce because I feel like it stretches more than just shelf-stable foods. So this is my little haul overview. And of course, it's only right to show you what I actually made with this grocery haul. So I have here a vegan pesto pizza, some white bean and kale soup that came out so good and comforting. I made a barbecue jackfruit power bowl that has sweet potato, black beans, spinach, quinoa, and barbecue jackfruit. I also made a cucumber and pineapple juice that I drank in the mornings. And of course, all the meals that I showed you are actually posted on my YouTube channel. So just look under my shorts tab and under my happy veganuary tab to get all of these recipes and step-by-step tutorials on how to make it for yourself, because they all came out delicious, if I do say so myself. And even though this grocery haul definitely was more difficult than I thought it was going to be, that does not mean that I'm not going to try again. So you guys stay tuned for a part 2, if you will, where I'm a little bit more prepared and I know exactly what I'm getting myself into. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, healthy does not mean boring. See you next time.